हेलो नमस्कार मेरे दोस्तों, ESG के एजुकेशन में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। आज हाईकोर्ट में जो ग्रुप डी का जो केस चल रहा था उसकी अपडेट आ चुकी है। लाइव अपडेट दिखाएंगे हम आपको, जो वहाँ से जज साहब और रेलवे के वकील और जो ITI के वकील हैं जो कर रहे हैं। और जज साहब ने रेलवे वकील को खूब झाड़ा है। आप पूरा वीडियो में देख सकते हैं, सुनिए पूरे इस वीडियो को। और नए हो हमारे अगर आप चैनल पर, तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि आपको पल पल की अपडेट मिल सके। तो चलिए सुनते हैं इस वीडियो को।
Interim order, non-grant of interim order by the tribunal. Again, that is challenged before those view of L. Chandra Kumar 226 that the hearing, what was the undertaking that we will not undertake recruitment. Now, my lord, the order has emerged that the tribunal is seized with the final hearing. Hearings are complete. Now, when filing a contempt petition before this honorable court is itself not matter. The reasons your lordship in T. Sudhakar Prasad has said, held that the tribunal has in terms of section 17, I am passing of the judgment. B.
What is the purpose of this observation which is made by the division?
That's my lord. I come on that. But recruitment will not be. Recruitment, my lord, importantly, recruitment is starts issuance of appointment order recruitment. It's issuance of advertisement and process for examination. It is going to take 1 year. My lord,
This order clearly says that recruitment, the statement made by you that no recruitment will be done.
Yes, I still say that I have not.
But you mean to say that we can start the process of recruitment? But recruitment can't be made.
Yes. Recruitment.
How do you get that?
My lord. No.
Then what about the people who apply? What happens to their status?
My lord.
How unfair is that?
My lord. We are not on that. We have not.
Can you come out with another order? Show me.
My lord. Hear me on this.
No,
We are
continuously. Personally, I'll give you final judgment to take it.
My lord, can you listen? I have not concluded. Now, my lord, your lordship says, this is a grant of a stay. This is a contempt proceeding.
This is the third attempt of bypass.
They will come.
And it
I am not aware, my lord, this is not filed there. I should have taken this instruction. I am not aware of that. But my lord, hear me on this mentality and all.
Why are you making statement before the court? This is what you're doing.
My lord?
even in the reply they have filed in page number 5, my lords.
I am aware of my reply. I have just
Page 5, Roman number 5, my lords, they clearly says to conduct CBT from November, it is necessary to proceed further with the preparation such as publication of tentative exam dates, notice, finalization of exam venue, center, scheduling, etc. Now, the hypothetical question arises. Let's suppose that tomorrow final verdict comes in the favor of ITI students. Now, it will be totally a wastage of resources of study and preparation for those who are 10 pass students, my lords. So, they are at uncertainty. And they are continuously moving with that, my lords. Even my lords have passed a direction for one vote.
I have not passed any order. He misconceived the petition by law.
In this case, my lords, a very simple question has been formulated by the division bench, my lords, that whether they can change the qualification, alter the qualification after issuing the advertisement, which was same issue has been settled by the 5-judge bench of the Honorable Supreme Court, my lords.
Has not decided. Tribunal has not decided. Your lordship are still seized of the matter. Finally, matter.
Such a contempt will not bypassing the orders by processing with the recruitment process, and the recruitment itself starts from the date of issuance of the advertisement, my lords. That is 28th of December 2024. And this question has also been covered by the Supreme Court file. This is the what is the meaning of time of issuing of advertisement. Recruitment process starts from the issuing of advertisement itself.
No, take it down.
My lord,
Take it down. This is you said we have order dated Actually, reply we have the respondents have been placed on record. Next, council for the decision draw the attention of the court to a communication dated 24/9/2025 issued by a chairperson of the recruitment board to the following effect. This statement says that the order dated 18 September 2025 in this court and passed the following order. State the entire order. Step A. The aforesaid order admittedly has not been modified or vacated. However, the aforesaid communication has been passed on 21st September 2025. Edition of the aforesaid order, 18 September 2025. In these circumstances, the court comes to the opinion that the aforesaid communication is in clear violation of the order passed by this court. The let respondent number 1 respondent number 3 appear before this court on the next hearing.
My lord, the court might be missing.
Same to the aforesaid violation. Listen, give me up in 2 weeks. Let him appear first.
My lord, have it after 3 weeks, my lord. I will again make it, my lord. I will holy, my lord. I will test my action, my lord.
I say it's a circular state, then you come out with the communication saying, we did circular number so.
My lord, my lord, decide on the mandatory act.
Then the judicial propriety demands that you should take the hand off. Not doing that.
I will the last person who is testifying.
I'm sorry, it's not. If you lost statement of contact, you should be raising the client. You should be respecting the court's order. The way you are addressing the court today, it seems like you also don't care about the court. Yes, that's an exception. Sorry, I'm not. I'm sorry, I'm not. I'm extremely sorry to say that. I'm very sorry to say that. And for order of passing the presence only.
My lord, I'm
stating also giving a law request.
Yes, I have come to the right.
And then I'm again violating the order.
I'm not
Please give me a copy.
I'm not aware. You should have put that
Not
on.
read it. This very circular was state.
I will look into it.
Or you don't communicate this order, the stay order to the department.
It was.
Let him appear in person.
Exactly.